Hello everyone, welcome back to When People Mess with the Wrong Cops, where ordinary encounters turn into instant karma. These dashcam moments show how bad decisions and defiance can quickly spiral when people challenge law enforcement, and the consequences follow fast.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car, you're gonna get tased!
You have somebody that can come and help you?
What began as a routine safety check to help a car that had run out of gas quickly escalated. The woman repeatedly avoided officers, refused to provide identification, and questioned the police. Tensions rose when she locked herself inside the car, screamed, and resisted on the roadside. Ultimately, her lack of cooperation turned a simple assist into a forceful arrest.
Let me wait for help.
Step out for me. Step out for me. You need to step out of the car right now so I can find out who you are.
That's unnecessary. I can't do everything.
Sorry?
Yeah.
You need something?
Yeah, so my
This woman believed the police had illegally taken her phone and repeatedly demanded it back immediately, despite officers explaining that the phone was lawfully seized as part of an investigation. She refused to accept it, argued aggressively, and blocked officers from leaving. The situation escalated, and her arguing and threats were bound to end badly.
Like, I never seen this too, cause my phone is gone, so y'all finna have a bad day, cause I'm having a bad day. Like,
We are not gonna have a bad day.
yes, y'all are, cause if I'm having a bad day, y'all gonna have a bad day.
You're gonna stop me
It's
from-
be all
you're gonna stop
chaos.
me from getting
It's
my
gonna be
vehicle.
all chaos.
All right.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Keep forward. Keep forward. All right, get it set.
No, please.
Sit down. I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane. Arrest me for what? Trespassing on
An
the plane.
outburst of anger erupted in a crowded airport. The man became defiant and confrontational after being told to leave the secure area. Although officers gave him the chance to gather his belongings and leave peacefully, he continued to threaten, provoke, and refuse to comply. And there was only one possible outcome for that behavior.
I will. Back up.
Please leave. Your access right there.
Hands behind your back.
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now.
Take a seat.
You're also being trespassed in the airport. They said this is your paper. You can't come back to the airport.
Police responded to a small shop after reports of a woman refusing to leave. Despite multiple warnings for trespassing, she ignored them. Only after being arrested did she express regret, crying and begging for another chance, a moment of regret that came too late.
You have had multiple warnings to stay off of this property, correct? Listen. I'm placing you under arrest for criminal trespass.
Pero ¿por qué si yo no he hecho nada?
Don't file
¿Por
with
qué,
me.
please? Yo no he hecho nada, no, please. Yo no he hecho nada, please. No, one break, please. One break, yo no he hecho nada, please.
Que él te da ya la opción. Dame la de cuando los mujeres te lo prometo.
No, pero no es canción, pero si yo no he hecho nada, please. ¿Por qué me vas a arrestar si yo no he hecho nada, please?
Why you arresting her?
Sí, yo no he hecho nada. Please, help me, yo no he hecho nada, please. My daughter to my car.
Take a seat.
My car.
Take care.
Mi casa. Mi casa.
I don't care. Come on.
Please help me. We don't live here. I'm living in Miami.
Come on.
Please, my dog, my car.
After weeks of investigating a series of retail thefts, police finally approached the suspect. The situation quickly escalated when she refused to cooperate, repeatedly filmed officers, argued, and questioned why she was being stopped. Despite multiple explanations from police, she continued to resist, and that behavior only led to immediate regret.
Listen. What are you arrested? Why am I getting arrested? Why am I getting arrested though? Why am I getting arrested? Why am I getting arrested though?
Put your hands
No,
behind
why
your
am I getting arrested? What did I do? Why am I getting arrested though?
Listen.
Why am I getting
I'm
arrested?
trying to explain it to you.
Watch your head.
Where's my phone?
You have your phone.
Okay, where though? Can I have it?
You can't have it, no.
Hello. You roll your window down for me?
What should have been a simple traffic stop for missing license plates quickly turned tense. The woman repeatedly argued, refused to provide identification, and failed to follow police commands. When her resistance crossed the line, officers were left with no choice but to arrest her.
I do not. No, I do not have. You can run my VIN number. In the Constitution, right, I do have two. I don't have to give you nothing. You can run my VIN number, that's it. After I give you my license, after I give you my name, I'm gonna give you my license, I'm gonna give you my name, you can run my identification. I want truck dash number, and I want drug dash number, and I want truck card, I want truck business card. I want them both business cards. No, help me! No, help me! No! Help me! Help me! Help me! No! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Send this video!
Give your hand now.
I want to let me go!
Let's get her up.
Let me go! Shut that video! Please shut that video!
Nobody is guilty.
I just looked at it not even 4 minutes ago!
Trying to sort this out within 5 minutes of being on the ground. Let's go sort it out.
I'm supposed to get to work!
An internal dispute at a healthcare facility in Ohio quickly spiraled out of control when two female nursing assistants got into a physical altercation. After management decided to terminate one of them, she refused to leave, shouted insults, and challenged police. Her resistance only led to a much worse outcome.
Get the car for? What's the very nice? Just get in the car.
What started as public disturbance quickly became dangerous when the woman appeared to be under the influence of drugs and began attacking both police officers and firefighters. Her aggressive resistance resulted in multiple serious charges, and the consequences followed immediately.
Ma'am. I'm just trying to help. All right, we don't want this to escalate to anything that is not supposed to be. All right, just calm down. We're here to help. We're not gonna figure out what's going on. You guys watching? I got you.
All right.
What's your name?
Just give me water. No, you're not taking the
You
cuffs
gotta
off.
take it off.
Take your time.
East. Trust me. Look up. I'm gonna take it off.
Hello. You gonna ride somewhere?
A suspicious woman was walking in the middle of the road, forcing vehicles to swerve to avoid her. When police approached, they discovered she had an active arrest warrant, and the situation quickly spiraled out of control. In the end, officers were forced to take her into custody.
You're being detained right now. You have a warrant. Put your hands behind your back or you're going to be under arrest for obstruction.
Then how come I didn't
Turn
arrest
around
you
and face
yesterday?
around from me or you will be arrested for obstructing. Drop your vape. Is there anything in the bag that you know about?
There's nothing in that
Anything
bag.
in your pockets that you know about before you hop in the car? Can I search your pockets real quick? Yes?
Sir, search it.
Okay, you're under arrest. Hop in.
So it did?
No, you're good.
No, you
Hop
I
in.
won't
Hop
make
in the
it
car.
there.
Hop in the car now.
Oh, where are you on drugs?
since I'm accused of it. Might as well to act like one.
What seemed like a simple shoplifting case at Walmart quickly turned into a chase when the woman fled through the parking lot. Her failure to comply caused the situation to escalate within seconds. Running from police didn't erase the original crime. It only added more serious charges.
I paid for everything you have.
Move it!
On the receipt.
Let go of the bag. Jesus Christ. Like, I don't understand why people...
Hey, come here.
A disruptive woman at a hotel in Washington forced staff to call the police. What began as a simple request to leave escalated rapidly due to her paranoid behavior, uncontrolled speech, and actions. Resisting police would soon become something she deeply regretted.
Turn around.
Under what
Turn
grounds?
around.
Under what grounds? Speak in
Step
English.
away from the
Arrest
rocks.
one another?
Put the rocks down or you will be tased. Get down! Get down! Get down!
This is about sex trafficking children. This is about sex trafficking children.
Look at
No,
me. Listen.
you're not taking me anywhere.
You look like this.
It means crying angel.
Thank you.
Easy.
Listen, thank you.
Yeah, I think my arm's broken.
Okay, listen, we're gonna have medical come out here. They're gonna.
Then get over here. Stop walking away from me.
A minor theft at a Family Dollar store quickly drew police attention. Instead of cooperating, the woman repeatedly argued and resisted officers' commands. Tensions escalated when she barricaded herself inside her car, forcing police to use force to restrain her. A small offense became far more serious due to her resistance.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! You're gonna get tased! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! I'm gonna tase you! Get out of the car! I'm ordering you out of the car! Get out of the car! Put your hands right back right now. I'm gonna throw you on the ground. You're not gonna like. Get up. Turn around. That social's not good social.
Hey, Al, can you please let me go?
Nope.
This thing on my arm is gonna be tight.
We don't know what's in it.
Hey, look at here.
So, I want to stop this car. She gives me a bad social.
An illegal right turn combined with running into traffic put a black sedan on Ohio police radar. Instead of cooperating, the woman argued, refused to exit the vehicle, and showed clear signs of intoxication. The situation escalated quickly, forcing officers to restrain and arrest her. A simple traffic stop turned into serious trouble because of resistance.
Listen to me for 3 seconds, please. What did I do?
Just lean back against my knee.
I'm not resisting.
Lean back against me. Like a
No, my God. You already smashed my
A disturbance call at Ventura Park Mall quickly turned dangerous when the suspect was found wielding a machete and threatening people nearby. Thousand Oaks police deployed a taser, but it was ineffective. With the threat escalating, officers were forced to use deadly force to stop the danger. This man was spotted waving a gun in a residential neighborhood. Police arrived quickly and ordered him to drop the weapon. Instead, he refused and pointed the gun at officers. He immediately paid the price for that decision. Thanks for watching When People Mess with the Wrong Cops. What moment surprised you the most? Do you think these situations could have ended differently? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.